Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in this video, I will tell you and show you how you can play disappearing photos and videos your Instagram. Please subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write comments for sure after watching this video. And let us get started with you. So, before we start, we're going to open up the Instagram app, and then you're gonna go to your profile. Here, you're going to click on the three bars at the top, and then you're going to need to find your activity. You'll probably have it in this menu, or if you go to Settings, your activity section will be somewhere here, right under Account Center. So we're going to go to our activity. Then we're down at the bottom in the very scroll down, and we're going to find Uploading our information. And this is where we choose Upload or Transfer information. And then we need to select our Instagram page. Next, we select our information. Now we need to select Messenger. We have here, as you can see, it's automatically set to upload to device. We don't change anything, we click Next. And now in the next step we can select, for example, the time for which we want to download the information. The default is for the last year. We can set it for 3 years, for all the time we've been using Instagram, for 6 months, 3 months, a month and a week. I, for example, would like 6 months. Next, we click Save, and also we can change the quality of media files here. Choose the one we are more comfortable with. After that, we click Upload File. And now we get this request to download our media files. And now we get this request to download our media files. After a little bit of time has passed, you will receive an email notifying you that your media files have already been downloaded. You'll be able to then go back to this page, and you'll then have a window like this instead of this one, as I've done beforehand, a prompt. And here you can click the download button to download all of your photos and videos, including the ones that are disappearing to your device. This way you can play and find your disappearing photos and videos. You continue Instagram and download them to your phone. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, be sure to write your comments, and see you soon, friends.